pull-ups every day, day 26. So today's session I finished the current block for the fire pull-up program. The top set was 12 reps. So over the 5 sets I was aiming for 12 reps in the first, 12 reps in the second, and 10 reps in the third, 8 reps in the fourth, and 6 reps in the fifth. And I got it in the end, but it was definitely tough. You'll be able to see throughout the clips, grimacing in the face and stuff, you know, it was very tough. But I'm happy I got this block done. So now I'm gonna, there's gonna be a change of strategy. Tomorrow in the next session, I'm gonna retest my max and see how many I can do and decide if, you know, based on how many reps I can do, if I should stick to the pull-up program, or if I should switch to weighted pull-ups and do a lower rep amount. So if I get, say, 18 reps, I retest my max, I might do sets as 18 reps, 16 reps, 14 reps, 12 reps, 10 reps. Yeah, it's a bit more drop off the higher the reps because it's hard to replicate. But if I get, I don't know, it depends. If I get like 20 reps, I'd probably have to drop down to 17 reps on the second set and 14 and then 12, and like it kind of gets a bit more complicated. So I might go to a weighted routine again where I put a 10 or 15 kg plate on and see what my max is with that. It'll probably be about 8 to 12 reps, and then I start as if I'm doing, you know, a normal 8, 10 or 12 rep routine. But overall, you know, the progression in the program is good because even though I think in today's session I was right on the edge of where like I was maxing out pretty much every set except for the first set. I could have got more on the first set, but the second set and every set after that except for the last set, I'd say I was maxing out. So you know, the routine works. It gets you to progress, but it gets you to progress in the just the right amounts. Where every day, after maybe the third day of doing a block, you're right up against it. But anyway, after the pull-ups, or the chin-ups, sorry, I went to do some squat. So I've been squatting every day for the last 3 or 4 days. Definitely, while I'm in the gym, I don't feel too much different. But I did notice in my MMA training, I felt a little bit more comfortable in a lower range of motion, like staying down low than usual. Like not that it would be painful before, but you know, less clicky and stuff. So I felt that. So maybe I'll do an Ivan Juric and squat every day as well. But no, I'll stick with the pull-ups for now. But then, so after the push squats, I went to do some dumbbell bench press. I didn't record it because I didn't really. I was kind of it was just the end of the gym. I was done with the movements. I was just seeing what I could do, get back into it, because I haven't used the dumbbell bench press in a while. But actually surprised the weight I was using. I was using 25 kilos. Not that that's a heavy weight, but I was only using 30 kilos in the gym a few months ago before I left. So you know, that I'm not that far off, and I know it felt pretty good, like comfortable. I could definitely use more weight next session, but then I'll take it slow. Then after the bench press, I went to the hip thrust, and then I did some hamstring curls at the end because you know, none of my movements use the hamstring. Like obviously the deadlifts do, but I don't really do deadlifts that often, and also I don't feel it in my hamstrings. I'm probably not using them as much as I should be. So yeah, I probably should do hamstring curls more often. I think I should probably do them every day. You know, I don't know about, because I don't want to be, again, like I mentioned in one of the other videos, I don't want to be tired when I'm going into my MMA. I don't want to be like my legs feeling like jelly. But anyway, it was a good session, and so tomorrow's session I'll be retesting my max and seeing where I'm going with the pull-up from that. But that'll be the end of the video anyway. Thanks for watching.